Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about resonance. So resonance structures are two or more plausible Lewis structures for a molecule or ion whereby cannot be represented accurately by only one Lewis structure. Okay, we have example of O3 here. As you can see, we have one double bond and one single bond in each Lewis structure. So the difference between these two structures is the position of double bond. Okay, the first structure, the double bond is at the right side, and the second structure, the double bond is at the left side. Okay, but the placement of atoms are the same. Okay, so the difference is only on the distribution of the valence electron. So as we know before this, double bond is shorter than single bond. Okay, double bond is shorter than single bond. Okay, however, experiment shows that these two oxygen bonds are exactly identical both in bond length and bond energy. So in order to explain this phenomenon, the resonance theory was introduced. According to resonance theory, the oxygen double bond in both structures is not fixed, or we call it as not localized. Okay, it means that the electron can shift between these three oxygen atoms. Therefore, the placement or the position of double bond will change. Okay, so this called as resonance structure. So the double-headed arrow represent that these two Lewis structures are resonance to each other. Okay, since the oxygen bond in this molecule is not fixed, or the electron can delocalize between these three oxygen atoms, and the bond length is identical for both double bond and single bond, so the actual structures of O3 is actually the resonance mixture or resonance hybrid, and we can draw like this. Okay, this structure represent both the two resonance structures of O3. Okay, we call it as resonance mixture or resonance hybrid. But in order to show the Lewis structure, the resonance structure for each molecule and ion, we need to draw all the resonance structure like this. Okay, try the second example. So NO3 minus, we just follow the same step on how to draw the Lewis structure. So we start with the central atom, nitrogen, bonded to three oxygen atoms. Okay, so this is the skeletal structure. So the valence electron for NO3 minus is 5 valence electron nitrogen plus 6 times 3 plus 1, since we have negative 1 charge here. So the total valence electron is 18, 23, 24. Okay, 24 valence electron minus 6 electrons, since we have 3 bonding pairs here. So we have, okay, the balance is 18. Okay, so 18 electron we need to distribute to the terminal atoms. Okay, so we are going to put 3 lone pairs on each oxygen atoms. Alright, so all oxygen atom have achieved octet configuration. Okay, but when we check the central atom, which is nitrogen, nitrogen haven't achieved octet configuration yet. Therefore, we need to transfer one lone pair from oxygen atom to become double bond between nitrogen and oxygen atom. So actually we can use any lone pairs from oxygen atom to be double bond between nitrogen and oxygen. So kita sebenarnya boleh pilih sama ada lone pair daripada oksigen ini, okay, untuk jadi double bond kat sini, ataupun lone pair daripada oksigen yang bawah, ataupun lone pair daripada oksigen yang kiri. So sebenarnya kita ada 3 possibility lah, iaitu double bond tu akan terbentuk antara nitrogen dan oksigen atom juga. So tiga-tiga sama. So itu yang akan menghasilkan resonance structure. So untuk yang pertama, kalau kita buang lone pair yang ni, kita akan dapat double bond kat sini. Okay, so this will represent the first structure of NO3 minus. Okay, kita dapat yang ni. So katalah kita lukis balik N double bond. Okay, tinggal 2 lone pairs, and then this oxygen has 3 lone pairs. Okay, yang ni pun sama, masih lagi ada 3 lone pairs. Okay, this is the first structure of NO3 minus. Okay, jangan lupa letak square bracket and -1 charge. Okay, so double-headed arrow to indicates that they are resonance to each other. So yang kedua, kita boleh lukis nitrogen. Okay, kalau ini tak ubah tadi, so kita akan dapat dia single bond lah. So kita ubah yang bawah, dia jadi double bond between nitrogen and oxygen juga. So tinggal 2 lone pair. Okay, yang jadi double bond tu akan tinggal 2 lone pair sahajalah. Okay, so okay, this is the second structure. And the third one, when we transfer this lone pair to become double bond. So kita akan dapat N double bonded to oxygen. We have 2 lone pairs here, 3 lone pairs here, and 3 lone pairs here on oxygen atoms. So this is the third structure. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, that's all for resonance structure. Thank you.